Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about upgrading Jira without upgrading Jira Service Desk. So there was a question on the community recently about uh, upgrading Jira, and this question, if you look at this question, if you read this, it says that is needed to upgrade Service Desk from 3.15 to the latest version when I would like to upgrade Jira software from 7.15 to 8.16. So the question is about can I upgrade Jira without upgrading Jira Service Desk? Now, the answer is very simple. If you are using Jira Service Desk and Jira software on the same instance, which is always a possibility. You can have just one instance of Jira running both. You can always take a look at this page, which I am sharing right now on the screen. And if you look at this page actually tells you about the compatibility of Jira Service Desk. So let us say if you want to use Jira Service Desk, which is let us say 3.16, or if we go back to the question, in the question, the user is asking about Jira Service Desk 3.15, and this user is also asking about is Jira Software 8.6 uh, or can it support Jira Service Desk 3.15? Now, if you look at this page, you will get the answer. So Jira Service Desk 3.15, let us say 3.15.0 or maybe 3.15.3, it is only supported till Jira Server 7.12.3. So if you want to upgrade your Jira to, let us say 8.6, which is listed here on top, you need to have Jira Service Desk upgraded to 4.6.1. So this is something that you need to be aware of, that your Jira Service Desk, if it is used along with your Jira software on your instance, you need to make sure that the compatibility is there when you are upgrading. And just to give you my small suggestion, if you are not able to upgrade frequently your Jira instance, and if you have to decide on a version, then you can always look for the Atlassian Enterprise release, which I also mentioned earlier. So this is something that you can take a look at, because Atlassian is recommending here that if you have to upgrade your Jira software or your Jira Service Desk, then the latest enterprise release as of January 2020 or February 2020, we are now talking about February now. This is the version, like for Jira software, it is 8.5, and so on for Confluence and Bitbucket. So let us say if you are running a big instance of Jira or Confluence or maybe Bitbucket, and you're not really sure whether you can upgrade to 8.6 without worrying about the bug fixes. So you can actually attempt, or you should target your upgrade to at least the version which is listed here on this page, which is nothing but the Atlassian Enterprise release. So the benefit of targeting your version, your upgrades to this particular version here listed by Atlassian is that you will continue to get support for the next 2 years. So let us say if Jira Software 8.5 was released on, I believe it was last year somewhere, maybe in December or maybe in November. So from that point onwards till the, I mean, for the next 2 years from that release date, you will get the bug fixes. So you can be assured that your Jira application, if there is a problem or if there is some security update, then it will always get the minor bug fixes from Atlassian. So if you have to upgrade, or if you have to decide on a version and you cannot really upgrade too frequently, then look for the enterprise release suggested by Atlassian, and this will ensure that you have your instance receiving the bug fixes for a longer period of time. And this is all I wanted to share in this video, and I hope you learned something new today, and you enjoyed something or you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.